Hello people of the internet. Today Yealink sent us their test product UH36 professional USB headset. Big thanks to them for this opportunity. Currently around the globe most of the people have to work or study from home. Because this change was sudden, some people didn't get any chance to prepare and they are unable to communicate using their computers. Today we will take a look at the product that could solve this problem. But before we continue, let's unbox this headset and I'll tell you more stuff about it along the way. Because this headset also has a microphone, I'll occasionally switch microphones to avoid making separate mic test segment. Okay, let's go! Package is very simple and that's not a bad thing. At least you know that most of the money you spend for it is actually for the headset itself. On the side it says that it's certified Microsoft Teams. First thing we pull out from the box is bag for the headset. That's actually pretty cool. Next thing we pull is headset itself and some other stuff too. As always, quick start manual is included. Manual is very short. It includes information about contents of the package and how to use the headset. Alright, forget the manual, let's take a look at the good stuff. Yealink included their own sound card with their Office headset. If you want better sound quality and more control of your headset, you can plug the headset's 3.5mm connector in this sound card and then plug the sound card in your computer's USB slot. This sound card remote has 3 buttons on top that can be used for calls, muting your microphone, and the third one is, I don't know, I'm too lazy to read the manual. On the side there are 2 volume control buttons. Wire's length looks long enough for you to, for example, connect the sound card directly to your motherboard. That's very nice. As I mentioned before, headset comes with its own bag. That's a very nice addition. It immediately solves the problem of transportation and storage. Headset looks very simple, but that's okay. Office workers don't need big RGB headsets. Headset has 3.5mm connector, but you can freely use sound card instead. Earpad cushions are small and soft, and surprisingly, headband is made of the rubber. Headset looks flexible enough to use for different shaped heads. And of course it's not headset without a microphone. You can move its position to your liking. As I said before, this headset is not meant for gamers or audio enthusiasts, but for office workers or for people who suddenly have to study or work from home and occasionally have to communicate with higher-ups. Headset is very simple. Sound is not the best but also not the worst. Microphone is kinda meh, but it will be enough for occasional calls with customers. What I like about this headset is that the sound card can be used with any 3.5mm connector, while for example one of the popular rivals, Plantronic, makes similar headphones. But their included sound card can only be used with their headset, and that is a very evil move. Also, Yealink headphones sound much better than Plantronic headphones. In conclusion, this headset is good for office workers, workers from home, or even students if they have to study during times like these. Sound is not the best but also not the worst. They are quite comfortable and microphone sounds just like mobile phone's microphone, but if you work in telemarketing, then using these headphones I'm pretty sure you'll be more successful in selling face masks to clients. As always, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, smash that like and subscribe buttons. Thanks and see ya!